When I took the chair, it was the first recovery year, 2022. One of our main concentration areas, how our industry is going to recover from the COVID pandemic. So one of our main focuses was how we're going to recover, and thanks God and thanks to our customers, it was, we can say, a revenge flying. So they flight back enormously last year, and we reach our targets, especially in the domestic and international targets overall. And according to IATA's forecast, in this year we're going to hit the 2023 in domestic 2019 levels, and next year the international levels. Of course, there are certain differences from region to region according to the opening of the regions, like China just opened this year, but it's going to be a really good year for us. Aviation is a strategical industry. Why? Economically, socially, and strategically, aviation is very crucial for a country. And especially if you're a big country, aviation is inevitable. And the governments know this very well. SAF is very crucial for us. But manufacturing SAF is not aviation industry's job. I'm highlighting this. Airlines are not manufacturers. So we are becoming victims because there is no SAF production. Aviation industry, I'm highlighting, is ready to buy all the production. So government must separate who's doing what, who's not doing, and do not blame aviation industry. When we look at the total carbon emission among the transportation industry, aviation, according to last figures, is almost 2.1%, marines 1.8%, and 11+% the land transportation. And why aviation is always under the spots? I'm asking this question. Why? When we look at the current world, the high inflation, due to high inflation, lack of income because we couldn't able to get the same wages as the inflation, and the cost of funding is increasing. So that's the financial or the economical impact on the airlines. Then when we go back, the SAF production, gender equality are some other very important issues that we have to raise. And aviation industry and IATA, by signing in 2019 25-25 initiative, showed its position strongly on the gender equality. And going back to last year in October, during the ICAO conference, we highlighted and undersigned the long-term aspirational goal. In 2050, we said that it's going to be zero carbon excretion from the aviation industry, from the airlines. And we are ready to do it. Aviation industry got a big A+ during the earthquake we had in Turkey, in neighborhood countries. 90 different countries provided us 3.5 thousand tons of aid. Domestically, just my company carried free 110 tons of aid products to the earthquake area. We evacuated over 150,000 people and sent almost 130,000 people as a rescuer, as a health services to that area. We showed the unity of the aviation industry during the crisis. I would like to thank from here all of those nations, all of those companies who supported us in the largest event ever occurred in our country. 60,000 people lost their lives. Hundreds of thousands of those people lost their homes, and they need any kind of support, and the easiest, fastest way is the aviation.